What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited today because I am bringing you a new project that I'm super excited about. All right, I'm gonna get straight off this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. No one on this channel is a financial advisor. We do this for educational purposes only. So let's get straight in. Here it is, guys. It's ApeironNFT.com. Quick overview of their website. They got their pre-sale going on right now, the Star NFT, which I'm going to show you about. I'm super excited about. And they've got their teasers all around, their socials up at the top. Log in, check the white paper, do whatever you need to do. We're going to have a look through all the different ones in here. First, what I'm going to do is take you to the trailer of this Star NFT, all right? 18/10/2022. It's going to be massive, super huge. You can see it coming down here, right? This super trailer here. And all the Star pre-sales are coming in. You got T10, T2, all the way through. I'll actually show you a scroll through of the website so you can see it going through on YouTube right now. Guys, as promised, here is how you actually mint it, right? You got to connect your wallet up at the top right, connect it down. It's going to let you buy one of the Planet calls, all right? Connect your MetaMask or Wallet Connect. I do recommend MetaMask. Connect it up and click the mint button, just as it shows you here. Once you click that, it's going to ask you to mint now. It's going to show you the different customization and stuff that you're buying. Then click it, accept the transaction fee, and the process will be in for your Planet code, just like that. Go to your inventory, you'll see it there. So guys, here it is. I'm going to give you an overview of the battle right now, what it looks like inside the game, right? Super cool. You choose which one you want to do. I'm going to choose Elite Battle here, all right? Choosing that, and we're going to shoot straight through to the pre-battle. Look how cool it is, right? They pop up, all the different characters that you've chosen or you've equipped. All right, you confirm that you want to start this battle, and we're about to get it down. Let's take them out, right? The Twilight Shroud, slowing this down, using it. We're going to attack them on this, taking it out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. All right, taking out their energy. You can see my big guy right at the back getting ready to swarm in and take out some power. All right, we take them out like that, super easy. And you're going to use your cards from the bottom to choose what kind of attack, what kind of defense you are going to do. Now, take your time. Choose the right tactics, all right? Because if you go straight in and you use the wrong ones, and you don't start looking, maybe take some tips on using the Divine Bolt here to take straight out 1,000 plus HP. All right, if you're using the wrong ones or you're using the defense when you should be attacking, you're going to get taken down. Does that make sense? All right, my big guy now is going to use the Olympian Swear. He's going to destroy. All right, bang. Game over. That's how you do it on there. All right, he's going to go through this special move. It sort of reminds me like a Japanese, you know, one of them action movies where it goes into a split scene. He's taking him out with the special power, and it is game over for the computer. All right, game over. That's how it works. This is what the battle looks like. All right, victory, done. Now, guys, what I want you to do is come and have a look at all their different minions, all right? If they haven't seen the trailer I just played, if you skipped all the way to this bit, this is what their little minions are looking, right? These are their apostyles, right? I call them minions because they look like minions, but it's their apostyles. So this is what they are. You can see here, dry, icy, a radius, a bit of them both together. You got prime fire. Dry and mountainous will make the volcano. You have different combinations. It looks like this, just like I showed you in that teaser before. Actually go to battle. They look really cool. Again, that's why I say minions, all right? They look really cool just like them. Touching on their tokenomics, guys, all right? It actually moves around here, super cool. Okay, so under Apeiron's tri-token system, not only will the developers have better control over the game economy under a dual ecosystem, all right? That's why this is so big. Players will also benefit from having more to earn. So you've got the governance where you can earn, all right? You've got the play to earn aspect, where tokens and give the holders the privilege to purpose and initiate voting process. You've got the permanent power down here, all right? That's where the play to earn tokens, players win tokens, accomplishing certain tasks in the game. And you've got the looking for the group, which is where the enemy used to perform celestial conjunctions. Okay, loads of different ways the tokenomics are working here. Click on them and you'll learn much more. Guys, let's have a look at their partners, okay? The Ether Entertainment, going through to Frank Xiong. He's the co-founder and lawkeeper in the business. You got Gem, all right, who's a co-founder and crypto game architect and product producer. Orange C is the co-founder. Ben Horn, Felix Chu. Again, please go and research all these, right? Don't just take my word for it. They're all renowned in what they do. You can see quick links on the side here. You've got Shadow Wong, got Chris Wong, and the advisor Sing Sang. Okay, hopefully I pronounced all these right, but you can go on all their LinkedIns and things like that, right? It takes you straight there, and you can actually look at their partners and who is running this team. Now, one of the biggest partners, like I said at the start, is the Ether Entertainment, right? It's a digital entertainment platform focused on mobile game development. So they know what they're doing and they're ready to blow this up. Having a look at their marketplace now, guys, it's just loading up, all right? Super cool. You got your Sanctuary, your Apeiron and Exhibition at the top, and you can actually see everything on here, all right? You choose your favorite ones and you get involved, whatever it is you're trying to get. If you're trying to get Wasteland, if you're trying to get something else, you know, a normal conjunction. If you're trying to go out there and actually find like Fanjava, Javinia, something like that, an actual character, then you can get it on here. You can actually just go on the side, choose which one you want. I want Tempest, all right. You can turn your fire, change one you want to do, what kind of attributes they've got. Choose planet or whatever it is, reset all the settings, and just go through what exactly you want to do. Just like a normal NFT marketplace, all right? Super cool. You've got the expedition at the top, and you've got sanctuary, all right? This is where you actually go through and select what planets with the sanctuaries you want. Won't let me do it because I'm not logged in, but that's how you use their marketplace. Have a look at their Twitter, then 136,000.6 followers, all right? They're getting some really cool engagement. Everything, like I just showed you this trailer, everything is going through here, right? We want you for the Dude Council. There's loads of cool things going on here, so please engage, hit a big follow, and let them know you're from this channel. So there you have it, guys. Super excited about this, all right? Going all the way through the NFTs, the planets, the stars, everything. That pre-launch is happening. I love their little minion-like apostiles, right? The game looks really cool. So please let me know if you enjoyed it in the comments. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you on the next video.